Creative Kitchen bottle opener. Okay, put it in and open it. Super fast and easy. I like it the way it looks. If I set it down, doesn't even look like a bottle opener. Very stylish. Nice. One more time. See how well it works. Nice kick, and it just quickly, boom, 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 multiple bottles. So easy and fast. And let's go one more time. Every time works so well. I like it. Stanley work light, 12,000 lumens. Wow, very bright. Okay. Very nice and compact. Ooh, I like this. Okay. Okay. What's so special about it? Opens up, actually untwist that, opens up this way and unfolds. That is cool. So twist this up to tighten it, and it has like a lantern waist, folded this way, and it's like now both sides light. Looks like LED, lots of LEDs in them. All on one side, opens up this way, and the ceiling a little bit this way. Nice. Adjust it all the way out. There's a couple hanging hooks over here. That's cool. Ooh, check this out. There's another plug from here, so it could be in the one way of like extension cord, multiple lights plug in, or USB. So there's 1 and 2. This is on 1. Look how bright it is. In a complete darkness, it is reflecting from the wall all the way to the floor. Floor is really bright. That's amazing. And now we're gonna put it on 2. 2 is actually a little bit darker, so 1 is brighter. 5,000 lumen. That's amazing. That's what it looks like. Very bright. Okay, now turn it off. And when it's off, the lights go off really slowly. Once I unplug it, it's completely off. UCO Sprout rechargeable LED lantern. I like it how it is quick detach, and it attaches to a branch or anything. It is super cool. So pull this out. Okay, there's on and off. The batteries included. Whoa, this is a whole block of batteries. Rechargeable batteries, and looks like AAA batteries. That is awesome. So either this one comes with it. There's a regular charger plug, one of those wires, and also AAA batteries. Either way, okay. Plugs in. Definitely very innovative. On, blue. So just 2 settings looks like. Regular light and blue light. And hangable. So if it's on a tree hanging, easy to detach, hang it back up like a light bulb, and stand it up by the table. Either way. Let's go see in the dark what it looks like. Complete darkness, it's very bright. I really like it. So your camera readjusts. But yeah, this is nice lantern. Blue light, very interesting. And a regular light. Very nice and bright. Camera definitely adjusts a lot. UCO Go Anywhere Ball, Spork and Tether. This is 4-piece mess kit. Okay, opens up this way. This is a tether. There's a spork. I really love deep spoon and really nice fork. Beautiful. I really like that one a lot. And so there's 2 plates, one deeper and one flatter. This one more for soup. And it has actual seal tied section right here. So that's kind of nice. I don't think it's waterproofed or anything, but maybe put in a sandwich in there or whatever will work really good. Okay, let's set it up in case we put a sandwich in there and bring it with us. See how this hooks up. Looks like on a picture to set it up, it goes to here all the way. It can be adjusted. Okay, then to the spoon in this way and out to here. For transportation, it now stays all together. Pretty awesome. Here's some napkin tape measure. So it says 6 feet. Let's try it out. It locks in right here. That's nice. So unlocks, then it goes back in, locks, and comes out slowly. That's cool. Does it has mid lock? Nope, only full lock in this. But full lock, it just comes out slowly and then all the way out. Let's see how much tape we have here. So this side here is 6 feet. Okay, let's see how long it lasts before it collapses on me. Stays pretty good. So this is 3 feet. Okay, about 42 inches and it collapses. So 40 inches, no problem. Once we get it down to 43 inches, which is pretty far, this is nice. I like it. The keychain on it, simple but useful. It's a perfect compact size. Very nice blowtorch right here. Goes like this. Locks right here, unlocks. Works every single time with locking mechanism. Very nice. Lock it, will not push safety. So both ways. Recharging part is right here and adjustable too. So it's perfect for cooking. Very long, powerful flame, but adjustable for much smaller. Highly reliable too. Locks in, boom. Here's a post level, very useful and easy to use. There's a zip tie holding it, so probably easiest way to open it this way. Okay, take this out. Okay, this rubber is to tie up to a post. So it has 3 levels, this way and 2 this way. For example, it's going to look like this, almost leveled. It's easy to adjust. This is aluminum fence, so it is moving a little bit up and down. So super easy to set up too. Plug it in, grab it, and goes around here. Nice and easy. And what's nice about it, this bend is stretchy. It can go on a bigger posts too. Let's say we need to remove it. Easy. I like it. It looks like magnets, yes, but this is aluminum, so it doesn't help us. But if it was a metal post, it would be nice and easy to use. That's quite nice, just for example. So metal sits in there nice. We can see the level, but it's on a magnet. So the magnet is stone. Very cool. Hoto household toolkit. So a little toolbox. Okay, have really cool latchets right here. Wow, very slick. Whoa, that looks really cool. Doesn't even look like a toolbox. Very stylish. And just simple stuff. Everything we need, like a wrench. Okay. Needle nose with wire cutters, and it has a spring in the back. Pretty nice. Locks in very good as well. I like these little clips. Okay, that's very important to have. That is nice and slick. Okay, let's see how much we can take it out before it breaks in. 5 feet, wow, 5 feet standing up. it's not broken in. So about 66 inches. So it comes off this way, so it's 10 feet and goes in and out, no problem. Retracts this way, keeps it on brake, cannot push it back in unless you press it down. But it does come out easily. Very nice. Okay, goes back in here, this way. A screwdriver with bits. Ooh, I like this silicone, so it's easy to take it in and out. Usually these bit holders are really frustrating to take in and out. Does it magnetize it? Yes, it has a magnet, so it shouldn't get stuck in a screw too much. But I love this side here. Very easy to take one in and out. Usually these things are plastic and it's too tight. So that's high quality, I could just feel it. And then we have right here a little hammer. There's a nail magnet, nail puller, very small, feels rubbery, so nice grip, but hanging pictures and things like that. And ooh, nice, a rubber over here, so it becomes a rubber mallet, a little bit still. So very stylish and cool for hanging pictures, fixing little things around the house. I like it.